ka rin ba sa nahihirapan sa iyong warehouse operation? Stress ka na ba dahil hindi properly accurated ang inventory mo? Bumabagal na rin ang peaking time mo at madalas ka din bang gumagastos dahil padagdag ng padagdag ang tauhan mo? Pero paunti naman ang paunti ang sales mo. Ito ba ang mga problema na kinakaharap mo ngayon? Well, worry no more dahil introducing Warehouse Management System or WMS of Payrecon.ph. Ang WMS ni Payrecon.ph ay kayang tulungan ang businesses na i-optimize ang kanilang warehouse layout, improving picking and packing efficiency, reduce labor cost, and improve customer service. Sa Payrecon.ph, hindi ka na mahihirapan because you're going to manage and balance your seller center on one dashboard. And this will result to increase in productivity. To know more about our service, visit our website now and feel free to message us on our socials at payrecon.ph.